this is Meera. Actually, today we are going to conduct one speaking exam, a kind of mock exam in which I'm going to play the role of student. I will give the answers to my student whose name is Vikas Prajapati. I'll give the answers from 6 to 7 banks, and I'll say you that what are the expectations of examiner in your speaking examination. So let's start. Sorry, my throat is not working well. So just understand, please. Start, sir.
Good morning. My name is Vikas. What is your name?
Good morning, sir. My name is Meera Verma. Meera is my first name and Verma is my family name.
Tell me about yourself in brief.
Yes, sir. Sure, why not? I'm from Gandhinagar. As I said to you before, my name is Meera Verma. And Gandhinagar, of course, green city, capital city of Gujarat. In my family, there are 6 members. My mom, my brothers, my sisters, and of course, my dad. And if I talk about my hobbies, yeah, I love to watch television in my free time. And other than that, I love to just chat with my friends and spend time with my family members. And if I talk about my future plan, my future goal, my short-term goal is to go abroad, fly abroad, and be a successful business lady. And my long-term goal is to provide all kinds of facilities to my family. So in short, in one sentence, I would like to say you that I'm a kind of person who loves to live a comfortable and luxurious life, of course, but a very honest kind of life. I don't like those kinds of people who are backbiters and do have a dual personality.
Okay. So, tell me, we are talking about trees.
Yes, sir. Sure.
What kind of tree do people usually plant in your country? How about your hometown?
Actually, sir, in my country, India, different people, they grow different kinds of trees. Some people grow mulberry, mango, neem tree, and some other like peepal tree also, means some many kinds of trees. I have very less knowledge about that, but some common trees are those I mentioned in my those I have mentioned before. Sorry, sir. And some people love to grow those kinds of trees. Those give us like beautiful kinds of flowers. Like in my hometown Gandhinagar, yellow color flowers on trees. I don't know, sorry, the name of that tree, but still, people love to grow those kinds of trees.
Have you ever planted a tree?
Yeah, of course. I remember when I was small, Miss Mango is my favorite fruit. So people say, Miss, my parents taught me, and my teachers also said me that after eating mango, but the seed comes out later on. If we throw the seed in a garden, then we can get the tree. So we get the tree. So I just after eating mango, I used to throw all the seeds in the garden. So from those seeds, we got 2 mango trees in our garden. So I grew 2 mango trees, and now also I'm quite conscious about our environment. I know that trees can control the pollution. So when I was in college, at that time also I was participating in Environment Celebration Day. So I grew at that time neem tree, and now so every year whenever I get chance, I love to grow one or the other tree.
What kind of trees do you plant?
As I said to you before, mango tree. Previously I planted, and now if I get chance to grow any kind of tree, I like to grow like first of all neem tree, because neem tree plays really vital role for controlling the pollution environment, due to global warming, due to increasing population, continuously increasing population, the pollution is increasing day by day. So I think neem tree works better for controlling the pollution. So I would like to grow, and now also I plant neem tree.
Do you like planting tree and why?
Yeah, I love planting tree. As I said to you before, I'm quite an educated person. I'm very much conscious. I know that we all should get together for controlling the pollution, and trees play a very much important role for controlling. That's why I love to plant trees.
Do you think that deforestation harm the human for in a future time?
100%, sir. Deforestation is one kind of curse that what I think that so many countries, governments, and nowadays people also, they might be very aware for that, but still they are not caring, they are not putting attention, they are not giving attention too much for controlling deforestation, because deforestation means soil erosion, and we could say polluted air that we use for breathing. So deforestation is a curse, and I think governments and people should control it.
Okay. So how do you celebrate your New Year?
So if you ask me that how do I celebrate New Year, I do celebrate New Year in a very like a simple manner. On the New Year day, I love to stay with my family, celebrate with them. Like my mom cooks very different kinds of food, sweets also. So we all family members sit together, dinner together, breakfast, take breakfast and lunch together. This whole day we spend together. Yeah, we love to watch New Year celebration programs on different channels on television.
As everyone know, India is a country of festival. So each and every religion has a different kind of New Year celebration. So what is your point of view regarding to this?
So actually, yeah, you are true that India is a land of festivals and different kinds of religion. Miss India is a secular country, so all the religions enjoy their life under the shadow of my country, India. Yes, of course, they celebrate their New Year in different manner, and I think it's really a good thing because it strengthens our bonding, it strengthens our unity also. Because, for example, like Gujarati people, if I talk about statehood, then Gujarati people celebrate their New Year like second day of Diwali. Punjabi people celebrate their New Year on 13th of April, and similarly other state people also. Miss, when Punjabi people celebrate, then all around my country, India, all people they love to like participate in that. They just give their good wishes, best wishes to those Punjabi people. Similarly, Punjabi people give best wishes to Gujarati and other state people. So I think this is really good and strengthen our unity. Means unity in diversity.
Okay. So this is the end of our part 1.
Yes, sir.
So now I am giving you a cue card.
Yes, sir.
And 1 minute time
Yes, sir.
to, and then after that you want to speak on the topic for 2
Yes, sir.
minutes.
Sure.
This is your topic.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Q1. So start. Definitely. Start.
Thank you, sir. Really nice topic, and thank you for refreshing my memories. My topic is an old thing that my family has. Yes, actually, every family Here's one or the other old thing, what I think normally all the families have. At my home also, there is one old thing. I could say that, yeah, the name, this is the thing, Bajaj scooter. Before many years, this scooter was in fashion. Everybody was, every family was preferring to purchase Bajaj scooter, Bajaj Chetak. Yeah, if I remember, its full name was Bajaj Chetak scooter. And my grandfather also had that scooter. And unluckily, sorry, but now my grandfather is no more. But still this scooter is with us since last 30 years. And my father now is the owner of that scooter. And but this scooter is too old that whenever my father rides on that scooter, it makes too much noise. Its engine makes too much noise. And I don't like it. It's just a noise pollution. And its silencer doesn't work well. And the mechanics also say that it's useless to spend money on the repairing and on maintaining the scooter. But still my father doesn't want to throw it, doesn't want to sell it, and doesn't want to give it in junk. I don't like that scooter, but still I have to manage. Because actually whenever I ride with my father in scooter, I don't like, because my friends, they make fun of me, that they always say that you cannot buy second scooter, the trendy one. But still my father has emotional touch with that scooter, so he loves to keep it with him at our home. Although we have car, we have second scooter also, but frequently my father loves to ride on that scooter only. Every time he says that whenever he rides on that scooter, whenever he sees that scooter, he feels closer to his father. Although I also love my grandfather, but what I think that things cannot be the medium to show our emotional touch or love towards the other person. But still this scooter is with us. So I can name it antique piece. So in short, this scooter is the antique piece at our home.
Okay. So this is our end of part 2.
Yes, sir.
I take some follow-ups
Yes, sir.
regarding to this topic.
Yes, sir.
So which type of thing younger people and middle-aged people like to keep?
Actually, some. It depends on the choice, not on the age. But still, commonly younger people love to keep some modern, trendy and beautiful look-wise, and some things related to technology, like mobiles, laptops, and I could say some tablets, means these kinds of things. And middle-aged or older people love to keep some things, those they have some emotional touch with. For example, as I said to you before, my father is middle-aged, so he loves to keep scooter with him. Instead of mobile, he loves with scooter much more, and I love with my mobile much more. So this is the common difference. Otherwise, it depends on the choice or their, I could say that, feelings, not the age.
In museum is helpful to learn history.
Yeah, of course, why not? Museum is the home of antique things. So it's very much beneficial for history students to visit there and learn something related to history, like king's history, queen's history, and some kinds of other like animals history also. So museum is a place where people go visit, and many people previously they didn't like any kind of history, means didn't like to learn history, but when they visit to museum they may start to have interest in learning history. So museum is a wonderful place for learning history.
Apart from museum, how people usually learn history?
So many ways are there, like reading books, and students, they go to school with the help of their teacher, and nowadays social media like mobile phones, they can open any website and learn history. So books, newspapers, magazines, with the help of teachers and websites, people can learn history apart from visiting to museum.
Type of things in your country people have for a long time and like to keep it.
Sorry sir, can you please repeat the question?
Type of things in our country people have for a long time and like to keep it.
In my country, India, there are some things those people have, and they would like to keep it for a long time. For example, in museum, kings and queens armaments, their clothes, their utensils, and some things like in temples, some old things like some old statues also. Those are really identification. Those symbolize the history of our country. So these are some types of things. Those my country people, Indian people, they have it for a long time, and I think 100%, not I think, means 100% they will love to keep it for a long time in future also.
Do you like to collect coins from the history or from the
Well, no, I don't have that much passion for collecting coins. So honestly speaking, I don't have any coin that I have collected till now. So sorry, I don't have interest in collecting coins.
Okay, this is the end of part 3.
Yes, sir. So, thank you, Vikas. Actually, yeah, of course, my fluency was good. My pronunciation was okay, right? I tried to use some vocab also. Yeah, I repeated. Repetition was there. Means, yeah, intentionally I did it actually. Instead of using some synonyms, similar words, that can give me less chance. That can have some negative impression on the examiner. So instead of repetition, I could use some similar and synonyms. So the mistake normally students also do, and of course I did. So instead of getting I could say that 7.5 bands, right? The examiner would like to give me between 6 and 7 bands. It can give me 6 bands also, 6.5 bands also, and 7 bands also. Why? Because fluency was good, some pronunciation was good, and vocab was okay, fine, and coherence and cohesion was also okay. Okay, so till the time, bye bye, take care, and we will meet again. So Vikas, next will be your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye, take care.